I am enough. I am worth living this life. I control my thoughts in the direction that I choose. I am the creator of my world. I love my body profoundly, deeply, and joyously. My body has its own wisdom, and I fully trust it. My looks are just a projection of what I think about myself. I become more beautiful and more shiny each and every day. I love the person I see in the mirror. I choose to see the divine perfection in every cell of my body as I love me more. I allow others to love me. I am love, and I am compassion deficiencies transformed through love and acceptance right here, right now. I choose to honor my beauty, my strength, and my unique way of being. I love the way I feel when I take care of me today. My own well-being is my main priority. I completely trust my inner voice. The more I get to know myself, the clearer it becomes what my life's purpose is today. I follow my heart, and I discover my destiny. I have my special place in this world. My life's goal is to share with others the best parts of me. Today I offer the world the gift of love, passion, joy, and my talent right here, right now. I start moving towards my life's purpose. I am worthy of love and respect. I deserve good people around me. What my life purpose is only decided by me. All is good right here, right now. Peace and tranquility start with the conscious choice. Today, I embrace simplicity, peace and relaxation. A peaceful heart makes a peaceful life. I trust that the universe sends me the best there is in every circumstance. By becoming peace, I create peace in every experience. I fill my whole being with the light of love, peace, and happiness. Peace starts when I give up controlling every detail. I am calm. I breathe in balance, and I breathe out in balance. Where peace lives, there's no room for fear today. My mission is to be a better person for myself and for others. I am love. I am ready for a real and filled with love relationship. All my connections are significant, and they fill me up as I share love with others. The universe gives back love. I appreciate every person I meet as worthy of my love. I trust the universe that it knows what person I need in my life today. I free myself from fear, and I open my heart to welcome real love. I am grateful for the people I have in my life right now. I am the perfect partner for my perfect partner. I am worthy of a real relationship. Filled with love and respect, I deserve to be loved, and I allow myself to be loved. I am strong and healthy. My energy and vitality increase each and every single day. I am open to the free and natural flow of well-being. My inner voice guides towards the right ways of healing. Abundant health and well-being are my birthrights. Thank you for the vigor, health, and vitality. I feel better and more powerful right now. I love taking care of myself today. The food I give my body is my highest priority. I am grateful for the opportunity of balancing my mind, body, and soul. I am awakened to receive the highest wisdom. My inner voice guides in every moment of my life. My thinking is clear, organized, and focused. I am always aware of the right actions meant to help me reach my goals when I know where I want to go. Going there is a certainty today. I am fully in sync with my inner wisdom. Harmony is always a sign of inner balance. Thank you for showing me the way to my dream. I trust my intuition and my feelings. I am detached and always open to the divine guidance. I am filled with light, love, and peace. I always treat myself with compassion and respect. I am not perfect. I am just myself. I love myself today. I allow myself to shine. I honor the best parts of me, and I share them with others. I am proud of myself. I did good until now. I will be better today. I allow myself to be stronger than my fears. I love myself no matter what happens. I am grateful for the traits, qualities, and talents that make me unique. Thank you. I am the creator of my own experiences. I am loved and supported by the universe. I am a powerful spiritual being. I am able to attract everything I need. I am a spiritual being that has a physical experience. I am at peace with the world surrounding me, and the world is at peace with me. I choose to be happy, and I deserve to be happy today. I create harmony, peace, and joy for myself. I am happy and calm right in this moment. I have everything I need in order to be happy. I give up old beliefs, and I install new, healthier ones. I am a positive and important person of this earth. I am confident. I happily build a happy relationship. I strongly believe that I am attracting my soulmate. Others are attracted to me because of my positive energy. I give up all negative thoughts and feelings about me. I am proud of what I've become. I unconditionally love and accept myself. I am unique and special. I am worthy of others' respect. I welcome all the good things life offers me. Life loves me, and I love life. My life is wonderful. Everything is well now, and always to live fully and free is my birthright. I give life what I want it to give me. I am happy to be alive. Life supports me. Life created me to become full. I trust life, and life supports me in every situation. My future is bright. I now live in love, light, and unlimited happiness. Any situation will turn out well. I am safe. All is good in my world. All works out. I free myself from any destructive fear and doubt. I accept myself, and I create peace in my mind and in my heart. I am willing to forgive. Forgiveness is my precious gift. I forgive myself and others, and I free myself. I am at peace. Divine peace and harmony surround me and live within me. I am tolerant and compassionate with myself and other beings. I am beautiful, and everybody loves me. I am in the process of positive change. Only good things come to me. I am health, happiness, prosperity, and inner peace. I carefully listen to my body's messages. My body always works for a better health. I am whole and healthy. I am content. My intuition is always by my side. I trust it completely. I am ready to change for the better. I am prepared to leave aside any bad habits. I am ready to install new mindsets, new routines I deserve, new constructive thoughts. I am inner peace. My body reflects it through a perfect health state. I am grateful for what I have right now. I welcome new experiences with arms wide open. I have faith that life is wonderful. I am loved because I exist. Others reflect the love I have for myself. I deserve to experience love. I have lovely people by my side, and I easily express my love to others. I have what it takes in my mind and in my soul to enjoy a loving and prosperous life. I have the perfect home. I feel comfortable in my space. I am blessed with a beautiful home. I spread love all around my space, and it gives me back warmth and comfort. I am at peace. I appreciate everything I do. I am enough just the way I am. I speak my mind whenever I feel like it. I ask for what I want. I claim my power. I am strong. I can face any challenge. I live in the present moment. The past is gone, and it has no power over me starting now. I am free. I create my thoughts. I choose only positive ones. I am safe, and I am free. I free myself from any guilt. I do my best with what I know, understand, and am conscious of. I am unlimited in creating the life that I want. I give love and joy, and they come back to me. I am perfect, and life is a joy I create with love, a wonderful life. My heart's door is always open, and I am safe. I let in only good, positive thoughts. I am a strong love channel that heals. I am determined to experience all life's joys. I am beyond excited to live in my body. I am meant to look the way I look, so I honor this with unconditional love. Each organ, each cell, each muscle and bone reacts to the love I send by giving me radiant health. Nothing and nobody can disturb my inner peace. I create the chaos, and I make it go away. I am in charge. I am flexible and free. I accept that life is filled with changing experiences. I am open for change. I am not my parents' limitation, fear, and restrictions are false thoughts hanging from my mind. I wash them away with positive intentions. I observe my negative thoughts, and I easily clear them out. I am created to experience love and kindness. My thoughts are my best friends. I now free myself from any destructive ideas. I believe in my dreams. My mind is a powerful tool, and I use it in my own best interest. I give 100% in everything I do. I am patient. I take it step by step. I am aware that all starts with me. I love and appreciate myself. I am in charge of my own happiness. I take tough times as a sign to move in a different direction. My happiness lies within me. Nothing from the outside can give it to me. I am responsible for my own feelings. My life is my creation. I stop complaining right here. Right now, what is best has yet to come. I believe in the beautiful tomorrow. My future is filled with great opportunities. I am grateful for every breath I take. I am surrounded by loving people who encourage me to be healthy. Each day of my life is filled with contentment, hope and gratitude. My body's connected to the universe's wisdom. Health is my birthright. Perfect health is my divine right now. I claim this right every day. My body is filled with more and more energy, is healthier and is filled with more vitality. My body speaks to me and tells me what it needs. My body does everything possible to create the perfect health state. I take care of it with love and respect. I am deeply grateful for the healing going on within every cell of my body. I free myself from every ill thought about people, incidents, events, or anything else. I am ready to heal my body. A healing energy flows within me now and always. I deserve to live a healthy and fulfilled life. I attract it every single moment. I eat well and I appropriately hydrate my body. I have enough physical activity. I am able to make the best choices for myself. Joy and vitality are my natural states. My immune system protects my body in a wise and strong way. My body radiates pure vitality. Each system within my body functions